Today, I'm going to show you how to use your tablets as announcement speakers. There's absolutely no need to go out and buy new if you have a bunch of old tablets and phones laying around already. Once you're done with this video, you'll be able to set up the tablet up to announce notifications such as someone at the front door, Amazon package arrive, kids playing games, it's 6 a.m. time to wake up. The sky's the limit, really. First, we need to download Fully Kiosk, but don't download it from the Play Store. Go directly to fully-kiosk.com. I believe the one from the website has more privileges, whereas the store is more limited. Scroll down a little bit. What you want is the Fully Kiosk browser. Get the APK file. I'm going to select the latest version 1592. No idea why there are so many versions listed. They should have moved it to a legacy section or something to reduce clutter. Click on download. Click on open. Firefox browser won't let me install, so let's go into the settings. Allow permission. Now you can install. Click on it. Pull the menu from the left-hand side and then go to Settings. Start URL. The start URL will be your Home Assistant. Mine is 192 and then :8123. Enter in your credentials. It wants permission, so go ahead and allow it. Go all the way down to Remote Administration Plus. Enable it. Set up the remote admin password. If it wants more permission, click on OK and grant it all. While in the settings, go down to Device Management. Near the bottom, you'll see Set Device Name and give it a name. I'm going to name it Tablet 1 Fully Kiosk. If you have a bunch of tablets with the same model, naming it is a must to differentiate them from one another. While we're on the tablet, I highly recommend assigning it a static IP address. You can do this on the router level 2. In my tablet setting, go to Wi-Fi section. By default, most tablet IP is randomized. It's randomly assigned by DHCP. Change it to static on the tablet. Otherwise, this IP ending in 23 could change over time. And when it does change over time, the integration would not work in Home Assistant. We're done with setting up Fully Kiosk on a tablet. Let's integrate Fully Kiosk into Home Assistant. In your Home Assistant, go into the Settings tab. Go down a little bit to Integration. Click on Add Integration. Search for Fully Kiosk. Type in the host, which is the IP address of the tablet, and then the password, which you set up in the Fully Kiosk earlier. Click on Submit. It is possible that your IP address will change, so make sure that you assign an IP address on your tablets. That's also mentioned earlier. After adding in, here are all of the controls we have access to via automation or manually. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend it to others like yourself. We can see the basics like 31% battery. You can set up an automation whereby if it hits 10%, then start charging. Stop charging at 80% to keep the battery last longer or prevent it from puffing up. We should rename the tablet's name to something unique instead of Tablet A Lite. Click on the controls and rename it to something unique if you have too many tablets or phones in the house. Let's test an announcement onto the tablet. Go to the Developers, click on the Actions tab, search for TTS. Select Google Translate, select an entity. This will be the Tablet 1 Fully Kiosk that we rename. The message will say, "Hello world," and click on Perform Action. Now, your tablet can say whatever you want it to say, make announcements like notifications throughout the house. For instance, if somebody is at the door, then let the tablet say, "Someone at the front door." The tablet seems to work fine without actually buying the license, but since I like it so much, I really want to support the people who made it. It is a one-time fee, not monthly fee, for about $10. They made paying super simple. If you swipe on the left-hand side, click on the Get License. The license is tied to your device ID. Should you update to another tablet in the future, you can migrate the license over. That's a sweet deal if you ask me. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.